This is one of the 3 videos in which we will learn how to fix write conflicts when we are in multi-leader solution. Okay. So in this video, we will cover version control. In next video, we will see like operation transform, which we won't see in this video, and then we will see CRTT. Okay. So let's go with the version vector. So problem statement first. Okay, so there are two DBs, leader 1 and leader 2. Okay, a client came to leader 1 and told A equals to 100. Okay, and a client came at the same time and told leader 2 A equals to 150. Okay, when they sync up, they find out that A equals to 100 and 150. So what should be the answer? Okay, so like we previously discussed that we can either use timestamp, but timestamp is not very reliable, or we can say, let's say this was count. Okay, so this guy was counting something and he found out A's count equals to 3, and this guy found out A's count equals to 5. So second thing what we can do, we can say like whosever values is bigger is the correct one. Okay, but actually what we know, so basically the answer will be A equals to 5. Okay, but the real answer should be A equals to 5 plus 3, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So in case of concurrent conflict, either one of the right goes, like one of the right actually vanishes. Okay, or what happens that conflicts happen, and if you use timestamp or something, the real value may disappear. Let's say actually the real value is 100, but it got disappeared. How can we fix this? Okay, so in this video we will learn about version vector. Okay, so what happens, this is a DB, this is another DB, this is leader 1, this is leader 2. Here is a client, here is a client. Okay, and initially they have version 0 comma 0, same here 0 comma 0, where this 0, the 0 1, I mean first 0 represent L1 and second 0 represent L2. Similarly here L1 L2. Okay, cool. Now this guy is sending a data like how many females are crushing on me, like how many females are crushing on me, and he says there are 3 females who is crushing on Akash. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, three updates happen here. This guy is saying like how many females are crushing on me, so he says 5 females. So A equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so when he did 3 updates, so this vector becomes 3 comma 0. Okay, and when he did like 5, this vector becomes 0 comma 5. What does this mean? That this DB received 3 values, three times this DB got updated, and this DB got updated 5 times. Okay, now they sync. Now they sync. So when they sync, L1 sends L2 3 comma 0. Okay, and L2 sends L1 0 comma 5. Okay, so when they see this, this guy know that hey, I have 3, A equals to 3, but there is 5 more count that has been added by someone else. Okay, so in this case L2. So what he does, he updates his version vector from 3 comma 0 to 3 comma 5. Okay, and similarly this guy also updates his version vector from 3 comma 5. So now total A equals to 3 plus 5, which is 8. Okay, so like this is how version vector actually works. They maintain an array of number of leaders, and the number of updates is basically counted on this part. Okay, let's see it when what happens if there are like more than two leaders. So in this case, there are uh, three leaders. Okay, this is L0, this is L1, this is L2. Okay, and obviously L0 tells us about like zeroth position tells us about L0. First position tells us about L1, and third position, like second position, tells us about L2. Okay, so what happened? There is a client who told number of females who are crushing on me is 3. Okay, so this becomes 3 comma 0 comma 0. Okay, in L1, a client came and told like number of female crushing on me is 1. Okay, so this becomes 1, and similarly this becomes, so someone told it's 2, so this becomes 2. When they sync up, this guy send him like 0 comma 0 comma 2. This guy sends like 3 comma 0 comma 0. Similarly, he sends over here 3 comma 0 comma 0, and this guy sends here 0 comma 1 comma 0. Let's say because of some reason the router over here is slow or down. Okay, so what happens? This gets updated to 3 comma 1 comma 0 because of this whole transaction, and because of this whole transaction this becomes 3 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, and similarly because of this whole transaction this becomes 3 comma 0 comma 1. Okay, and this becomes 3 comma 1 comma uh, yeah, sorry, this is 2, and this becomes 3 comma 1 comma 0. When this db's data goes to this db, so we know the like hybrid approach, right? due to due to some, after some time, what happens, this db's data goes to this data. From 310 it becomes 3 1 comma 2, and this db's data goes to this. Okay, it also become 3 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, so ultimately everyone gets 3 comma 1 comma 2. I know this picture became a mess, but like everyone gets 3 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, by this what we know, that number of females, let's say they have long hairs, they're very beautiful, who are crushing on me is 3 plus 1 plus 2, which is equals to 6. Cool. There are 6 chicks who are like fighting for me, right? So this is version vector. So this looks perfect, but there is a problem. What is the problem? So let's say there are 2 db. Okay, one is leader 1, one is leader 2. Okay, now here in leader 1, this client goes and say, let's say row number 1 name, sorry, employee number 1 name is Akash. Okay, at the same time this guy says that employee number 1 name is let's say Ashish. Okay, so the version vector over here becomes 1 comma 0, and here also it becomes 0 comma 1. When they sync, they want to become 1 comma 1, but then one employee number 1 is Akash or Ashish. What is the value? So this was very helpful when we are doing count, but when we are not doing count, when we are like putting some like values. Okay, which one should be the value? Okay, so either now the user, like the admin of the database, should come and edit, either it should be Akash or it should be Ashish, or we have to build some smart way how we can understand that it's Akash or Ashish, right? So that machine DB itself understands it's Akash or Ashish. So this smart way, what we are saying is will be CRDT. So next problem will be CRDT. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Hope so I understand. Okay, so I don't know if I told what is the name. This name is called version vector. Okay, version vector. Okay, thank you.